welcome back to my video. Today I am showing about this parcel. It is coming after a long time. I will cut it now.
Where from it comes? Who deliver?
A parcel man.
And what is written on the parcel?
Daraz.
Oh, who ordered this? What is inside it?
Now today you have to guess properly, kids.
Well, something. Let's see.
It is the best parcel in the universe.
See what is written over it. Show me. Show. Wow.
I think that is the same which I made another video. It is looks like the same which I made another video like this. It is looks like same. I made another video about this one. My mom's parcel broke. It was just like this. Now let's open it. That's close. I can open. Let me bring it. Look, one leg is broken. This only joint, but one leg is broken. Help! My one leg is broken. Now let's continue on another. Now that close is just a puppet. Look. Wow, it has something else. We can play with the puppet. Let's see if it can bounce. If it can pop. Why does it not pop? These are definitely not popping. Show me that. This does not pop with a hammer as well. I do not care about that. Oh, it's the same as last time, but a little bit different. We can stand it like this. I think it goes like this. Like this. Now we can put our mobile like this and we can watch anything. Oh, this even cannot work. We can do this. It's very scratch. Ooh, Mama ji. If our mobile is small, then we can put it like this. If it's big, we can scratch it. This much I can stretch. It's very hard. Now for this part, my mom will do the rest. Take it. Take it. Thank you for watching my video. Why does things always fall? I think you should wait for a minute. And my mom will sting it. So wait for a while. Do you know I'm making a very interesting video later? Make sure to watch that video as well. It's very good. I love that video. I will make it like better than this video, better than all of my videos. You have to guess. Comment down below which video you can do. It stand like this, so we can watch anything on it. We can watch anything. We can small it as well, like this. We can watch video games. Pew, 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 pew. Like this. Pew, 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 pew. It is turning on now, a broken mobile. Thank you for watching my video and make sure to give a big thumbs up. Else a Mr. Dinosaur will eat you. I have Mr. Dinosaurs. Mr. Dinosaur, if they don't subscribe, you will eat them. Roar! I will definitely eat you. Goodbye.